Guys, I'm a bird. I'm finally a freaking bird. I've been wasting my whole entire life so I can become a bird. And actually, I look like a duck more than a bird. And we're playing Obby, but you're a bird. This is finally true. I'm a bird! Yay! Wow. Jump! No! 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 Okay, now I look like a ghost. Shut up. Get some help. This is so dumb. This is giga dumb.
Where's the record button?
And we also jump like a bird. But we're not a bird. I thought the bridge is going to fall. Bro! Yes. Go! Where do I go? There? Can I do simulator? Yes. Jump! I don't want simulator. What? Yes. Wipe data. Help! Where'd they go? Where'd I go? Up! Up! Oh. Oh! This is finally a great house for me. Something tells me to go right. Jump! Jump! Ah! Jump. Jump! Yes! This is so hard. No! Hey, that's the spawn button! Hey! Jump. Ah! I almost fell. Yes! No! Okay. Is it really this way? Go! Okay, it is. Go! Finally! Where is it? Oh my god. Oh. Now where do I go? Where the fuck do I go?
That's a dad.
No! No, Mr. Mushroom! Goodbye myself. That barely sounded like a fart! Why do I pink? I hate pink. Where the heck do I go? Oh. Go! Oh my god. Go! No. I don't have any pencil. Bro, how do I go here? Oh! Come on, Bluebird! Oh, pull! This? I'm following Bluebird. I'm following Blue Guy. Or Blue Guy! I'm following him. No! Pinky almost died. Ah! Come on! Come on! Jump! Jump! Yes! What is this? Is this eggs? No! I'm going to wake you. No! Yes! No! No! Bruh. Bro, the pink bird. Bro's me. Jump! Bruh. I'm going to wait for that guy. I don't like this part. I'm scared. No! Why did I walk? There's a guy. Okay, I guess. Close me. Help! Oh my god. Bro is so nice. No! No. Bro! Where are you going? This is actually kind of so cute! Not kind of, this is giga cute. Where's he? Oh, that's him. Wait, I'm gonna see the chat. Tweet. No! Tweeting in chat. Okay. Simulator. Simulator. Not simulator. Wait. This is so giga glitchy. My game's so glitchy. Where is he? Bro is not waiting for me. I already got there. And then I die. Jump! Where's that guy? Is that thing? No! Come on, thing! I guess that's not thing. Thing left me. No! No! Where's thing? Bruh! Dino spikes. Is that thing? Okay, that ain't thing. Go! Yes! No! I always made it and then I fall in the edge. This is so hard. Guys, finally I made it! I made it. I don't want to fall. Ugh! Jump! I'm so getting scared. I don't want to go back. Then I have to jump. That's so risky, bro. Go! What is here? Go. Go. No. Go! Go. Okay. This is so scary! Yes! Freak you losers! Finally, we made it, guys! No! Jump! I don't want to fall now. Mommy, I'm scared. You. No! 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 Frick! I hate doing this again. Oh, yes. This is the end. I will live happily ever after. Now guys, I'm a fish. Look. Where am I? Am I really just like this? Wait, what? I guess I am just going to be like this. This is so dumb! Why am I like this? I jump so high. I want to be leafy. I can be gone. No! 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 What is that? You better not be thinking of finding out of here. It's too dangerous for anyone like us to go out into the unknown. I have made it clear our purpose is just to sit here safe from any danger. Hey, it could be worse. I like the fishes. This is so hard. Okay, let's just do first person because we don't have anybody. What do we do? What do we do? Oh, this is so sad. I'll just be like this forever.